Hello unicorns, welcome to Tales of Unicorns. So if you are new to my channel, I am Harita and I make travel related videos. So if you love travel related videos or if you like to support me, please do hit the subscribe button and support me. Also follow me on Instagram because I post a lot of travel content there too. So right now I'm sitting inside the dormitory of Zostel Munnar, and this place is so clean, so big, and the ambience is really great. So I just wanted to put out a separate video like the property video of Zostel Munnar, and that's what this video is about. So keep watching the video to know more details about this property, and I hope you will like this Zostel property, and if you did, please do hit the like button. So currently I'm traveling from Suryanelli to Munnar. Suryanelli is a place which is approximately 30 kilometers away from Munnar. I'm traveling through a bus which is Tamil Nadu government's bus. This bus was traveling from Madurai to Munnar and I boarded in between. And the reason why I was in Suryanelli is because of this tent stay and a beautiful sunrise which I visited in Kolukumalai. So to watch my experience of the tent stay and to witness this beautiful sunrise, please check out my previous video in Munnar. So finally I reached Zostel Munnar. This is the entrance to it. This is such a huge place with a great ambience. The decor over here and each and every nook and corner of this place is decorated so beautifully. I loved the place of these swings. It was perfectly placed opposite to a window which opened to complete greenery, and not to mention the weather was amazingly pleasantly cool. So chilling out in this swing was my most favorite part. As I said before, the decor in every corner of the place was looking very pretty, and even outside Zostel you will be able to witness so much of greenery. Hence I feel the property owner was very much brilliant to have chosen this location to situate his property. And this is the reception area where you will be able to find a lot of sofas. So if you are early here before your check-in time, you can just sit and chill here. And this is the map of Munnar painted very creatively on the wall. If you remember my Zostel Varkala video, I would have shown a whiteboard in which all the activities will be written similar to this. So you can check the activities, and if you wish to participate in it, you can just go and talk to the receptionist and they will help you out. If you're not traveling through public transport and if you have your own vehicle, then you definitely have ample amount of space for parking as well. Now let's have a look at our dormitory. So this is my 4th time staying at a Zostel. I've already stayed at 3 different Zostels and I've uploaded the tour videos of all those as well. You can check that in my channel. So the dormitories in all the Zostels will be almost similar, but this one in Zostel Munnar felt so different to me because it was so cozy and warm. I really didn't feel like leaving out of my bed. This is a 6-bed dormitory and luckily I got the lower bed. So if you are given an upper bed, please check with the receptionist to see if any other dorms have lower beds available, because going up and down is a bit of a tedious process. And now comes my favorite part of the dorm, the balcony. Waking up to this balcony, waking up to this view was so amazing. It felt very pleasant. So coming back to the dormitory, that's a dustbin over there, and this is the storage space for you because you're not provided any cupboards or lockers inside this dorm. So you just have to pull out this one, fill in your stuff and just lock it and open it whenever you want. This looks very much similar to the ones you see in Big Boss. Zostel washrooms are a bit comforting to me because I can sense the amount of cleanliness and safety that is present here. You can find all the amenities like dustbin, mop, hanger, shower, ample amount of lighting. This is in such a huge and vast space, and also you can witness this large wash basin. You can get hot water here 24/7 as well. This is their dining area and currently it is locked, hence I cannot go inside. Even though they have their own cafe, if you want to order food from outside and eat here, that is also allowed. This is the first floor and they have a pretty cute lounge over here as well. So just wanted to show you guys that too. This is the second floor, also called as the common lounge area. This will be closed by 10 p.m. in the night. You have a lot of games over here. For example, board games like Monopoly, Pictionary, cards, snooker, and more importantly, you have foosball table over here. So if you are a foosball fan, then definitely visit Zostel Munnar. Also, you have drinking water and restroom facility here. So you can just chill here all day with your friends. So carom board, ludo, all those games are also available. And this is a huge sitting area where you can definitely play a lot of games with your bunch of friends. If you are a lover of hammock, then you're definitely going to love this Zostel Munnar. In Zostel Vagaman also we had a hammock, but compared to that one, this one was pretty huge. This is a quiet space where people work, because these days work from home has become work from hills. But imagine working with this view at this weather. Feels so damn awesome, right? So it's night time and I thought I'll just show the outer look of Zostel Munnar. So currently I'm doing a solo backpacking trip in Kerala and I visited Vagaman previously. To watch my Vagaman videos, you can check the links given in the description, and also please do not forget to subscribe my channel. So this is the property tour video of Zostel Munnar. I hope you really liked it. So if you want to know the contact details, they are in the description, so do check them out. And also do check out my Instagram account, which is also Tales of Unicorn. As well as please do like this video and subscribe to my channel, which is Tales of Unicorn. So see you guys real soon in my next video. Until then, unleash the unicorn in you.